IS116-4A, and today we're going to teach you how to operate a hand mixer.
Step 1 is to insert the two beaters into the corresponding holes on the hand mixer. But before that, please make sure your hand mixer is unplugged. This is crucial to prevent electric shock. As you can see here, there's a cute pattern on the left side indicating the proper placement for each beater. Another thing to note, you have to make sure they are securely locked in place as we do not want them to suddenly come loose while we're mixing. And we're done with the assembling. Simple, isn't it? Step 2, just carefully plug it in. Let's get to know the buttons. This is the turbo button. It provides an extra boost of power when needed for thorough mixing results. It's a convenient feature that allows you to temporarily increase the speed and power of the mixture beyond the normal speed settings. And this is the eject button. Unlike the insertion process where you manually push the beaters into place, this button allows you to quickly release the beaters with the press of a finger. And lastly, the dark blue one in the middle is the speed shifter. In this hand mixer collection, there are 5 speeds provided. And when you're done mixing, reversing the assembly process is the key to properly disassembling the hand mixer. Unplug first, then eject. You can either press the specialized eject button or manually pull them out if preferred. Both methods are effective.
Thank you for watching. Hope it helps. Go back now. Bye!
When the credits roll, do you hang tight? Do you stay inside or go to life? I'm so grateful for everyone's time.